So hi guys, good morning. So we'll see our next tutorial here. So the next tutorial we'll see on radio buttons. So radio button. So what is radio button? So radio button is for you can use only one. So means either you can select means previously checkbox we seen, right? So checkbox is nothing but where user can have the multi selection, but radio button can user can click only one. So for that, normally user this button we can use the gender selection and all. So for that we need two buttons, right? So one is for the male, another is for the female. So because of that, I drag and drop two buttons. So let me change this. I'll change this as a male. So this as a female. I changed the both. So even for this also, we can apply the same properties here. Because text view is there, right? So because of that, you can apply the same properties. But here I want to change this text color. So I updated this text color. So first let me run like this program. We will see like where checkbox is working without writing any functionality, right? Like this, if this will also work or not, we will see here. So this will not work like the previous checkbox, how that is working. So for that, here there is a small difference is there. So how that I'll show you now. So let's run this program. We will see this output. Yeah, it is launching. See, I'm selecting this. I'm selecting female. Normally it should deselect, but even though now deselection is also not working because now both are independent. So if it won't work, this we need to make as a group. So for the reason, what I'll do is here I'm taking the one more button, one more this component that is a radio group. So we need to take the radio group. So for the radio group, I'll give you the ID. So that is a radio. So that is radio. Then I'll close. Now these components I can align within this. I can align within this. So now I'm running. Yeah, it is installed. So we'll see this output now. See, now I'm selecting this. The selection and deselection is working. Like this. Once we make the group, then only this will work as a selection and deselection. So here for this, we can give orientation as well. So I'll give the orientation as horizontal. I need side by side, those two. So I'll give the orientation as this. But if you give the orientation like this we need to make as the wrap content. Then otherwise, see, the second one is outside. So here also you can give the wrap. So done. So for this, we will apply the list. So if you want to apply listener for this component here, we need to write that is similar already we enabled the binding, right? So binding dot. So first we'll apply the listener to group, not a component. So binding dot radio dot set, same whatever we applied above, that is same conflict listener. But here the above is the view is the button, here is the group. So that is difference. There is a checked, is checked means that is a boolean value, but here is checked. So based on the checked ID, so which ID you selected, either first, second. So based on that, it will come here. So I'll write here if checked ID equal to r dot id dot. So that is the radio button. So if it is a radio button, I'll write something else. Radio button means the first one. I'll write this. Else I'll do this. So radio button 2. Radio button 2 means what is the radio button 2? This is the female. So I'll write the text for this. In case if I select this, it should be the female. So if I select this, it is the here male, right? Like this. See, I'm running this program. We will see now. Yes, see now it's launching. Male, female, like this. This is the way we will handle the radio buttons. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.